We have made it to our hotel. We're staying at the Hilton in Cartagena. Room 1022. Let's get ready to check out this room. Boom. Let's see. Off to the right, we've got some closet space. Oh, no, wrong way. Closet, oh my gosh. Closet is huge. Lots of hangers, that's always a good thing. We like to unpack as soon as we arrive somewhere so we're not wearing wrinkly clothes. Safe ironing board. Check out that view, we'll get there in just a second. Off to the left we've got the bathroom. Hello there. So we already have some toiletries out. Of course, our standard Hilton goodies. You know, these will go back with me. Looks very new, you guys. So I don't know how old this hotel is. I know they did Miss Colombia here last year. Our Uber driver was telling us about that experience on the way in. He was telling us about his client that he had. Let's check out the little mini section. So we got these waters for checking in. There's coffee, some options in there. And looks like there's a mini bar option. Wow. Little sausage there. Those are interesting options for snacks. And then we have our fridge. Oh wow, that's like a fully stocked fridge. Nice. One of the perks of staying at this particular hotel, we have access to the lounge for being Diamond members. So we'll definitely have to explore that and see what it's all about. But we've got a king size room. Love the floors. That'll keep it nice and cool. We're gonna begin unpacking soon. Standard TV, looks like they have direct TV. Hey babe, what do you think of the room?
It's good.
I like it.
Somebody's playing banker with our...
1 million pesos.
Okay, but disclaimer, how much is this million pesos in dollars?
Couple hundred.
Yeah. So it's not a lot, but it just seems like a lot. So math is gonna be crucial this weekend. We've got a little sitting area. We're thinking coffee in the morning right here is gonna be the way to go. But let's check out this view. Look at this. This country is beautiful. Let's see what we have over on the side. Oh, look, it keeps going. Oh, wow. So there we go. I wish you could feel the heat that I feel from the window. Our Uber driver was also telling us that this is the hottest month of the year. Leave it to us to come on the hottest month. But it's actually not that bad. It's quite breezy since we are right by the beach. And it's nice and warm. So we'll definitely take you on an adventure out to the beach. It looks like we have access to like the umbrellas, and we can get towels. There's a pool area. And of course they have ways to get food out there and drinks. So we'll definitely have to put that on our calendar. And then over on that section, so this whole section they call the Miami of Colombia. So I thought that was very cute and clever. The buildings are very similar. They have that vibe to Miami. So it's kind of cool. Very similar to what we saw in Panama as well. So there you have it. There's the view. I'm not gonna get over this view anytime soon, you guys. This is fantastic. And our amazing room. So we have arrived. I cannot wait to show you what the city is all about. So get ready to join us. drinks and stuff in the lounge. Super cute. They allow up to 40 people in the lounge. There's the bar, and that's where we came in. All right, so we have made it back to our hotel for the day, and we've had quite a great day. We started out by checking out the hotel and of course the room. We began exploring and went to lunch and then just really walked. We had no plans for today, just walked all of this area, and we saw some great things. Some of the things that we noticed, lots of restaurants nearby. The people at Cartagena are really nice, lots of hustling. So we walked through some markets, and it was just really funny how everybody was trying to get our attention to come to their particular shop and spend some money in there. So I definitely, I'm a big fan of people that want to succeed and be successful in their shop. So that was really cool to see. We also walked the beach, and that was really pretty. We got to watch golden hour and see the sunset, and that was just really cool to see, especially because we have this amazing view from our hotel. With that, we didn't sleep last night, so we are definitely going to need to catch up on some sleep. And tomorrow, we're not really sure what we have planned so far, but we will have to share this adventure that we signed up for. I don't know if we meant to sign up for this adventure or not, but regardless, we're doing this at 11 a.m. So curious to see what it is. You'll have to continue watching and check it out. But otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and get some sleep. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.